Hey guys, got these wireless sport headphones. These guys sent me to do an unboxing and review on. Let's check them out. As they say, they're sweat resistant. It's got a wireless connection, built-in mic carrying case. It's got excellent sound. Let's see. Comfortable, secure fit and hands-free calling. Well, it comes with the case here. You open up the case and the headphones are in it. I was pleasantly surprised, and I have to show you guys something. These kind of remind me of these other, this other pair I have, and these I'm impressed with the design on these because I really like the ones that I own that are similar to this, and I'll show you a little comparison. But I'm curious to see if they sound the same. Yes, that's kind of the cool factor for me is that these are the Apple Power Beats, and I absolutely love these. Use these every day, and they're wireless. And so now these things here, very similar in design. I like this type of headphones. And so as you can see, here's kind of the Apple ones in comparison to these. Very similar, which I'm very pleased about. Yeah, that's nice. So we'll check the sound quality out here. I just want to let you know it comes with a USB charger here and some extra earbuds in the case. And of course some directions kind of telling you what everything is and what everything does. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and plug this in and make sure they're fully charged. Okay, so as far as charging these things, it's right underneath this little rubber piece here. You just take your fingernail and kind of pull that up, and that's where it plugs into. Here we go. Now we'll just plug it into the wall or the computer for a couple hours. To turn these on, you want to press the MFB, the multi-function button, for 3 seconds, which is right here. 1, 2, 3. That's how you turn it on. Same goes for turning it off. You just hold the MFB for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That'll be off. You know, the first thing we want to do is pair this with the iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and make sure it's off. We'll press that down for 3 seconds again. 1, 2, 3. That's off. Now what we're going to do to pair it, we're going to press the MFB for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now it should be paired up. Okay, there it is. It shows up U8 Pro. So we'll go ahead and select that. Okay, you know you had success. I turned off the bright light so you can see it. See that blue light? That means you're successful. Slow blinking blue light. That means you're paired up. Play some tunes on there and check it out. All right, these things sound really good. I'm playing this song right now, and they're every bit as good as the Power Beats there. All right, I absolutely love these headphones. They're great. They fit nice. They stay on your head. You can jog with them. You can do push-ups with them, pull-ups. They won't go anywhere. They're every bit as good as these Power Beats. I would say the Power Beats just have a little bit more bass, but other than that, freaking top notch. These are good. Well, this says if your connection's lost, your headphone will attempt to reconnect automatically too. The other thing is you can do multi-pairing with this. I won't be using the multi-pairing function, but use these with an iPhone or an MP3 player. Really nice. All right, as far as charging these things, you know, if it's a red light, it indicates the device is charging, and blue, like we showed you before, it means it's fully charged, and it takes about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to charge the battery fully. Again, it comes with a bunch of different size earbuds to fit your ears. That's it, you guys. I highly recommend these. These are really nice. You could be happy with these if you pick them up. All right, thank you for watching.